Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing an Amazon haul. वो तो है ही, but सब कुछ जो मैंने खरीदा है ना इस वीडियो में वो ब्लैक कलर का है. लव ब्लैक आउटफिट्स. लाइक मेरा कोई ऐसा फेज आता है जिसमें मुझे मन करता है कि बस मैं ब्लैक ही पहनूं, तो आप मान सकते हो कि वही फेज है. Like really amazing pieces. You are like not ready for the prices because the prices are so low, especially because सेल चल रहा है, ग्रेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल चल रहा है, सब कुछ इतने अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे अवेलेबल है. तो let's start the video. First thing that I want to talk about is the shirt that I'm wearing right now. It is so cool. This is like such a Pinterest girly core shirt. Like it has this tie detailing. You can see the proper try on here, but honestly it is so good and it looks so chic, smart, plus it was so affordable. So I think everyone should get one for themselves. Like look how sexy it looks. Actually it looks very hot as well. So this is something you can definitely check out. Like it has this corset like detailing going on, which is so cool and very trendy, and I think it looks super cool. तो मेरे को तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. Okay, next thing that I got is also a top. It's so cute, you guys. It's like peplum style top and it screams. Again, this one also screams Pinterest. Like look how pretty, and इसका fabric भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like एकदम cotton fabric में है. Like this is how the top looks like. It's so cute and pretty. I absolutely love this one so much. You can see how it looks on me, but again completely and totally worth the price you're paying. Like इस पे इतने cute से ऐसा जो ये flowers आप देख रहे हो इस पे पूरे embroidery. It's not like patchwork or anything. So it's such a good quality top and available in such a steal price right now. Next thing that I have is a black dress. This one is gorgeous. Like मैं हट जाती हूँ, साइड हो जाती हूँ. ये इसका बैक है. Okay, this is the front of the dress and it has like all these ruffles going on. This looks so cute and sexy because वैसे आप देख सकते हो जो इसका inner है वो mini है, but then you have like this kind of high-low thing going on over it, and it's just so pretty. Vacation appropriate, birthday appropriate. So I felt really cute and pretty in this. So this is something you can definitely check out. It has like smoke detailing at the back so you can wear it easily and everything. But dude, it looks so pretty and it's so affordable as well. And the fabric that we have here is Georgette, but I am like so happy with this dress. You can see it in the try on how it looks and everything. मैंने order किया है small, so you can check it out. And by the way मैंने short का नहीं बताया था, short में मैंने medium पहना हुआ है. Next dress that I have is this one. This one is in like ribbed material and yes, backless है. And it looks very hot, I feel, and it has like a slit as well on the side. You can see how it looks on me. I feel it's a very sexy dress because it's like backless and it's just fits me really nicely. And the size that I've ordered na, वो मैंने ऑर्डर किया है मीडियम. इज लाइक सो अफोर्डेबल. दिस वन इज गुड सॉफ्ट रिब्ड मटेरियल. सो दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन check out अगर आपको ऐसा बैकलेस ड्रेसेस पहननी है. एंड आई थिंक रिब ड्रेसेस इन जनरल आर वेरी comfortable to wear when it comes to like bodycon dresses. Okay, so I have one more ribbed dress. This is also like a bodycon dress. ये एकदम जो तुम्हारा स्किम्स स्टाइल का ड्रेस होता है ना उस तरह का ये ड्रेस है. नाउ इट्स अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई फाउंड इट ऑन Amazon इन सच अ स्टील प्राइस. लाइक यू कैन सी कि कितना मस्त इसका फिट आया है. जो इसका रिब्ड फैब्रिक है इट्स अ लिटिल बिट थिकर देन द लास्ट वन, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ गिविंग नाइस शेप टू माई बॉडी हगिंग एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली loved it. I just wish इसमें पीछे थोड़ा सा ना एक स्लिट दे देते तो थोड़ा और तुम वॉक करने में इजी होता. Next outfit that I got is I think more vacation appropriate and I am heading to a vacation soon, so I think it's really cute like I'm going to a beachy place. So it's gonna look very cute in like sunset time. It's kind of revealing, so I know that it's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. This is how it is. You tie it around your neck and then it's kind of backless and it's quite short of a dress. You can see how it looks on me. I have like mixed feelings about it because of the fabric. Like the fabric that it has is like polyester, but like the cheap looking one, because it's black it doesn't look that cheap, but I know how it feels. It doesn't feel that good to me, but I still want your opinions because ये काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे मुझे मिली है. तो मुझे कमेंट पे बताओ कि ये कैसा लग रहा है and if it's looking worth to keep in my wardrobe or should I just return it. No suggestions कि ये रख लूँ कि वापस कर दूँ, तो मुझे नीचे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना. And next outfit that I have is again backless and vacation appropriate. I will say I think 70% of my wardrobe is like that, which is like vacation appropriate, but then here we are. This is how the dress looks like. It's in satin. No कि इसको iron कर लेना चाहिए था, but this is how we have received it. It's very cute. It's like A-line skater dress and you can see how it looks in the try on. It's kind of backless. One thing जो मुझे थोड़ा सा bother किया was कि जो इसका neckline है, it's falling not exactly how I want it to fall. Like मुझे थोड़ा सा ना body tape use करना पड़ेगा to like prevent any wardrobe malfunction. But you let me know how it is. Like they have given double lining also तुम्हारे bust area के लिए, so that if you are not wearing any bra and if you're going braless and just wearing nipple pasties, you're feeling comfortable because it already has like two lining here. Let me know if this one is also worth keeping. I'm kind of dicey about these two dresses, but बाकी जो maxi dresses style में है वो मुझे सब बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and tops and shorts. So I mean this shirt is so hot. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this was it about today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite item from today's video. Everything is linked in description and comments as usual, so you can check it out and shop for yourself if you liked anything from this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. Please make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and please comment कर देना यार. Engage करो मेरी वीडियो के साथ. दिवाली गिफ्ट दे दो मुझे ये, that you engage a lot with my content. It would mean the world to me. And yes, I will see you guys super soon in my next video.